Hey there everyone, it's been quite cold recently, so let's make a lamb in ginger and spring onions. Super quick and easy. Let's go. I have some lamb chops here, but you can also use lamb steaks or lamb shoulder. So mine has a bone in the middle, so we need to remove that. So cut your lamb into thin pieces. Hold the lamb down and slice. Like that. Some bits are quite fatty, so you can remove the fat because they can be a bit chewy. Now we're going to marinate the lamb. Half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of MSG, half a teaspoon of sugar, some sesame oil, some white pepper, some ShaoXing cooking wine, about less than half a cup, a tiny bit of bicarbonate soda, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and give it a mix. Add 1 tablespoon of water into your lamb to become more tender. Half a tablespoon potato starch. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of oil to lock in all the marinade and make it more smooth when cooking. Just let this marinate for about 15 minutes, and now we're going to prep the vegetables. 1 onion. There you go. Chop it into thin slices. Spring onions, 2. Separate the greens from the whites. As for the stalk, slice it diagonally. Put these with your onions. For the greens, slice it about 2 centimeters long. Put it in another bowl. They go in at the end. Ginger, take out the top and bottom. And what I like to do is use a potato peeler and peel off the skin. This way, you don't waste as much flesh. Slice it diagonally and slice it into thin pieces. Mince 2 cloves of garlic, and that's all your ingredients. Very simple. Alright guys, so now we have all our ingredients. We're ready to start cooking. Wok on. Heat up your wok. Oil. Heat up your oil. Get it nice and hot. Alright. Lamb goes in. Gently break up the lamb. Fry your lamb for about 2 minutes. Final 10 seconds, back on high heat, and that's ready. Look how nice and tender that is. Quick wash. Heat up your wok again. Oil. Ginger. Fry your ginger for about 20 seconds. Get it nice and brown. Garlic. Onions. Fry your onions for about 30 seconds. Water. Now we season oyster sauce, bit of salt, MSG, sugar, sesame oil, white pepper, bit of soy sauce. Lamb goes back in. Bring it to a boil. Bit of dark soy sauce for color. The greens go in. And now we're going to thicken it with some potato starch, just a little bit. Dark soy sauce, oil, and now we serve. This is how you make lamb in ginger and spring onions. Lamb. Remember to use white pepper and sesame oil. This will really enhance the flavor. Fantastic. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to stay warm guys. Catch you next time. Bye.